In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to align elements here in Canva. Now, what I'm about to share with you can work with elements, shapes, or anything that you want to align. So first of all, let's go ahead and take some of these square shapes. What we'll do, we'll just put a few of these onto the page like this. We won't put them evenly spaced because what we're going to do is align all of these to make them look perfect. So once that you have your objects, your elements, your graphics, or anything that you want to align, here in Canva, we want to highlight over all of them, come to the three dots just here, and then go to Align Elements. Now what we can do is click on the middle. This is going to align them up through the middle. Then if we click on the three dots, and then go to Space Evenly, we can click on Horizontally, and now we have everything aligned. So let's do this one last time. Let's put that like that. We're going to highlight over all of the objects, go to the three dots, click on Align Elements, and this is all the different settings that we have. But for this example, we're going to click bottom, and then we're going to click on the three dots, go to Space Evenly, Horizontally, and there we go. Now, if we only have a couple of images like this, we can highlight them, come to the three dots, come to Align Elements, then we can do left. We can also do center, right, top, middle, or bottom. So again, that's just how easy it is to align elements here in Canva. Now for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.